A series of intense winter storms are set to impact the UK, and scientists say the culprit is a powerful polar vortex swirling miles above the Earth. This phenomenon has been linked to clusters of extreme storms, like the trio of Dudley, Eunice, and Franklin that struck the UK in February 2022. The latest research suggests that when the Arctic's stratospheric polar vortex, that is SPV, is particularly strong, it can make these storms up to 3 times more likely to occur. For those who may not be familiar, the polar vortex is a massive system of swirling cold air high in the stratosphere, around 15 miles above the Arctic. When it intensifies, it affects the North Atlantic storm track, leading to an increased risk of severe weather patterns across the UK and Europe. Scientists from the University of Leeds and the UK Met Office have found that these conditions were evident in forecasts as early as November 2021, giving meteorologists a potential early warning system for extreme winter storms. February 2022 was a record-breaking month for storm activity in the UK. It was the first time since the UK Met Office began naming storms in 2015 that 3 named storms struck within a single week. These storms brought devastating winds, torrential rain, and widespread disruption. Storm Eunice in particular was one of the most intense storms in recent history, producing record-breaking gusts of 122 miles per hour at the Needles on the Isle of Wight. The impacts were severe. 4 people tragically lost their lives, and over 1 million homes were left without power. The findings indicate that a stronger SPV increases the probability of multiple storms hitting in quick succession by 80% compared to normal conditions. This new understanding could significantly enhance storm forecasting, allowing for earlier warnings and better preparedness measures. The ability to predict these dangerous weather patterns weeks in advance is more crucial than ever, especially as climate change may be making extreme storms even more intense and frequent. Looking ahead, forecasters are keeping a close eye on current atmospheric conditions to determine if a similar pattern may emerge. With advanced forecasting models and a better grasp of the polar vortex's role in storm formation, meteorologists hope to provide more accurate and timely warnings to help mitigate damage and keep people safe. As we brace for another storm season, staying informed and prepared is key. If this pattern continues, we could see another round of severe winter storms sweeping through the UK. Keep an eye on updates from the Met Office and be ready to take necessary precautions as these powerful weather systems develop. Stay subscribed for more videos.